Tired of automated replies and bots when you have urgent payment questions? You're not alone. This frustrates thousands of business owners every year. Here's a quick way to see the problem. A simple Google search for Stripe support complaints shows countless posts from business owners struggling to get real help. Automated responses can be confusing, slow, or completely unhelpful, leaving you stuck when your payments are at risk. That's why EasyPay Direct offers white glove service. You get a dedicated contact who knows your account and can help you directly. On top of that, transaction routing ensures your payments keep flowing smoothly even if one account hits a limit. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also have hosted checkout, making it easy to generate payment links or landing pages in minutes. If you want real personalized help with your payments, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form and you'll have a dedicated contact ready to assist. The link's in the description to get started.